The D3A 11-foot inflatable paddleboard offers exceptional stability and balance, perfect for beginners and versatile enough for activities like yoga and fishing. Constructed with a robust four-layer design, this paddleboard features a non-slip EVA deck pad and can withstand up to 15 pounds per square inch for a durable and stable ride. With a high load capacity, it comfortably supports up to 330 pounds, making it ideal for 1 to 2 adults and pets, or up to 4 riders in calm waters. The board's shape, featuring a round, pointed nose and squash tail, ensures excellent glide, stability, and turning response, suitable for flat water and light surf. Included in the complete accessory set are an adjustable paddle, 3 detachable fins, a dual-action pump, and a large capacity backpack, enhancing usability and convenience. Lightweight at 20 pounds and equipped with 2 carry handles, this paddleboard is easy to transport, making it a fantastic option for all your water adventures.